Secrets to make your abs pop out fast. Abs. Everyone wants them, but it isn't easy to get them. Why? Hormonally, this is where both men and women tend to store their fats. The fat is really stubborn to lose in this particular area, and you've got to work really hard to get your fat percentage all over down. Abs are most sought after and most coveted body part in any physique. It's the reason why most people do hundreds of crunches and sit-ups. The reason why they perform hours of cardio and eat the blandest of foods for weeks. However, when it comes to abs, more is not always better. Higher reps won't get those abs to show. To attain a true six-pack, where your abs are really popping, you'll have to drop down a low body fat, and that can only be achieved by using combination of effective resistance training program, metabolic-type work like intervals and circuits training, and most importantly, nutrition. These factors are an essential blueprint for making your abs pop. If you follow these tips, attaining solid shredded abs is guaranteed. But before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and support us for more interesting videos like this, and turn on notification so you never miss our videos. Tip number 1. Train abs at least 3 times a week. Since your abs are sustaining your core, they are always working. Therefore, you need to train them more often in order to make them grow. Increase your training frequency for abs by performing ab workouts at least 3 times a week. This will give you ample opportunity to target each area of the ab region and use as much volume as you need to thoroughly work your abs. Some people even train their abs every day of the week, which they find is very effective in maintaining their abs and keeping them strong. And tip number 2. Add weights to your ab exercises. Most people are used to doing ab workouts by performing lots of reps. There is nothing wrong with that. But if you want your abs to pop, you need to add a resistance to your ab exercises. By adding weights to your ab exercises, you force your abdominal muscles to work harder, which builds the muscles that makes up the square of your six-pack, so they pop, and when performed at a different angles, with the ab exercises allow you to build deeply attached abs. Keep your reps in the hypertrophy range, 12 or 15 reps, and work on increasing resistance, just like you would with any other exercises that you perform for other body parts. Tip number 3. Hit all areas of the ab region, upper, lower, and obliques. Just like you do for any other body parts, you need to target all areas of the ab region, upper, lower, and obliques. Most people's ab routines are one-dimensional. They just want crunches or sit-ups and call it a day. Thus, one section of the abs more developed and stronger, while the other ones are underdeveloped. To really make your abs pop, include at least one specific exercise that targets each area of your abs during your ab workouts. Tip number 4. Clean up your diet. You've heard it before. Great abs are made in kitchen. Cliché, but very true. It doesn't matter how many hours you work out if your nutrition is not on the point. Your abs won't show. You can't overcome poor nutrition with training. If your goal is revealing those abdominal muscles, you will need to maintain a very good clean diet. Eat foods that are high in protein and food that contain low glycemic carbs. Tip number 5. Supplement with carnitine, green tea, and caffeine. In addition to training and nutrition, supplements can help you reveal your abs. Supplements such as fat burners have shown to burn and accelerate the fat burning process. Some of the best ones include carnitine, green extract, and caffeine. The combined effects of these 3 supplements will help show your abs in no time. Carnitine is a popular fat burner but also powerful anabolic supplement. It transports fat into mitochondria cells where it's burned and used as energy. Besides being a popular fat loss supplement, carnitine is also known to enhance muscles growth by increasing blood flow muscles, similar to benefits provided by NO boosters. It also increases testosterone levels post-workout. Take 1 or 3 grams of carnitine with breakfast, pre- and post-workout meals, as well as with your last meal. Green tea contains the active compound EGCG. EGCG works to increase your metabolic rate and free up body fat by preventing the breakdown of the neurotransmitter norepinephrine, which regulates your metabolic rate and fat burning. Take about 500 milligrams of green tea extract standardized for EGCG in the morning, pre-workout, and around dinner time. Caffeine boosts fat burning due to its ability to bind receptors on fat cells. Caffeine also burns extra fat during exercise. In addition, caffeine buffers muscle pain and sharpens mental acuity. Taken pre-workout, caffeine provides near-instant energy, increases muscle strength, and helps the body use more fat for energy. Take 200 to 400 milligrams of caffeine supplement in the morning an hour before workout. Tip number 6. Drink lots of water. Keeping yourself hydrated is essential when you want to show off that chiseled six-pack. The most dehydrated you are, the more your body will retain water and store it under your skin. This stored water will actually look like excess fat. Therefore, drink plenty of water to keep your metabolism high and maintain muscle fullness. Not only that, but the water will help you satisfy cravings. And make sure to drink water regularly and during training season, and continue to drink even when you are done. You should at least have a gallon of water per day. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And thank you for watching.